Welcome to Kitchen Whistle. In this video, we are going to see tasty and easy appam and coconut chutney. First, we need to prepare batter for appam. Let's see the ingredients. Take 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 cup of grated coconut and 1 cup of cooked rice. I soaked 4 tumblers of idli rice in water for 8 hours. You can use raw rice or idli rice and soak it for 8 hours. Let's see how to prepare batter. In a mixie jar, add soaked rice, add quarter tumbler of water, grind it, add grated coconut, add quarter tumbler of water and again grind it, add half quantity of cooked rice, half teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Grind it. See, it is not ground properly. Again we need to grind it. The batter should be very soft like this. This is the consistency of batter. Transfer the batter into big vessel. Grind the remaining rice and cooked rice. See, this is the consistency of batter. Mix well the batter for 5 minutes. And close the batter and rest it for 8 to 12 hours. See, the batter is fermented well. Mix well and we can prepare appam. Switch on the stove, keep dosa tawa and spread oil. Once tawa becomes hot, add batter. Spread batter evenly. Close the dosa tawa and cook for 5 minutes in medium flame. See, the appam is cooked very well. Now we can take it out from tawa. In the same way, prepare the appams in the remaining batter. See, the appam is very soft. Now appam is ready. Next we are going to prepare coconut chutney. Let's see the ingredients. Take 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 green chilli, little ginger, 1 small gooseberry sized tamarind, few curry leaves, 1 tablespoon of chana dal, 1 tablespoon of urad dal, quarter cup of fried gram and half cup of grated coconut and quarter teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon of oil. Let's see how to prepare coconut chutney. In a mixie jar, add grated coconut, green chilli, fried gram, ginger, tamarind and quarter teaspoon of salt. Grind it and add quarter tumbler of water and again grind it. See the consistency. Switch on the stove and keep small pan. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once oil becomes hot, add mustard seeds. Add chana dal and urad dal. Add curry leaves. Mix well. Keep stove in sim flame. Marinate the coconut chutney with fried chana dal, urad dal and curry leaves. That's it. Delicious coconut chutney is ready. That's it. Simple appam and coconut chutney is ready. If you like this video, like and share. Don't forget to subscribe Kitchen Whistle. If you have any doubt in this recipe, let me know in comment section. Thank you so much for watching.